Hey, John.
Jason, my man, how are you?
I'm great, man. We are here to record our overview video of what we're going to be talking about at SharePoint Fest this year in Seattle, because we've already
Mhm.
done the DC show. It was fantastic.
It was. I really enjoyed that one. There was a phenomenal audience. They had great questions. It was energizing.
It's on you, Seattle. Step it up. We want to see
Yeah,
you
no
out in
kidding.
force. This is going to be a
No
good
kidding.
one. We are back again to do our workshop, everything you wanted to know about Power BI, but we're afraid to ask. But it is completely
Version
different.
53.
This
Yeah.
is This game changers happen at MBAS like they do every year. Microsoft Business
Yeah.
Application Summit this year was epic. Lots of new stuff to talk about. We're going to have a new section in there about what's coming next as well. We'll talk
Yeah.
about what you can do. We'll talk about all the different things that we're going to demo. We're tons and tons of demo. We're going to have a section towards the end where we're going to talk about all the things that they announced at MBAS, what we think about them, all the new stuff that's coming. It's going to be really great. So that's our first day there. That is on Tuesday. So very
hmm
excited about that one. John, throughout the rest of the conference, I know we're doing a live podcast recording.
We're doing a podcast recording on Wednesday. And so that's always fun to hopefully get a big audience out there, or at least a couple of people.
At least six. We're shooting for six. Last year we had five. This year we're
That'd
going
be
for
awesome.
six. So, and we'll see if we can get some guests to show up as well. You know, we're in Seattle, so the Microsoft folks are not far away. We may see if
They're not.
we may see, because we're going to do this on video as well. We may see if we can get somebody like Paginated Report Bear to actually show up this time. Wouldn't that be
No.
cool?
That would be very cool.
So we'll see if we can get Mr. Finland to come out and join us and bring Paginated Report Bear. But I am also going to be telling data stories with Power BI. It is
That's
a
a great
100%
session.
demo session.
Yeah.
All new stuff this time, too. I'm going to be demoing some fun stuff. And then you and I together are doing hybrid business intelligence. Yes, you can do that.
Yep. We've done that one before. It talks about all of the things you can do in the cloud, the things you can do on-prem, and how you can make those things work together. And if you've got an eye of moving off of on-prem and into the cloud, you want to do it slowly, it's a great session to go to.
Yeah. So come out and join us for that one. John, what else do you have going on?
I've got a couple. I'm premiering a brand new session on Power BI data flows on Wednesday afternoon called A Place for Our Stuff. I've got obviously the hybrid business intelligence with yourself, and another fairly new one, which is all about big data and Power BI. So that's just focused right on Power BI and technologies like Databricks, et cetera. So if you're curious about that stuff, come on out.
And I have one last one. It is not in the BI space. This one is called business intelligence.
Not in the BI
Business,
space, huh?
no, business transformation in the digital age. I
Yes.
did this as a keynote in Atlanta, and it went over really well. It makes you think slightly differently about what you're doing and how you're moving into Office 365, Microsoft
Cool.
365, BI a little bit as well, but more holistic thinking about the business side of doing Office 365 and Microsoft 365. So come out, join us. We're really looking forward to seeing you out in Seattle. It'll be a great time.
Absolutely. And by the way, ask the expert sessions. I'm doing to them.
Are
I
you?
don't know if you're on them, but we're having those as well. So if anybody's got questions, come on by.
I have no idea if I'm doing them right now or not. But you know what? One of the great things about SharePoint Fest that you don't get in as many other conferences is the approachability of
Oh yeah.
speakers. So if you see us roaming around the conference, we usually look like this or like that. Please come up, ask us questions, no matter whether we're at an Ask the Experts booth or not. Looking forward to seeing you there. Come out and join us.
Perfect. Take it easy, man.